Hello, my name is Lindsay. I am the toy curator here at Spec Kid Club. At Spec, we have had a great time putting together boxes that encourage development and growth for your child that touches on sensory, physical with gross and fine motor, cognitive, and social emotional skills. Here at Spec Kid Club, we are providing opportunities for you to have at home the necessary tools to help your child with growth and development. Today, I will show you what kinds of toys we have in box for 0 to 3 months of age. Our first toy is the Owl Play Mat. This mat has been designed to give your baby the opportunity to encourage their gross motor development. While laying on the mat, they will begin to push up on their hands and build up their muscle strength, their arm strength, and their leg strength. This toy is our biggest toy in our box, and it will help your child with their developmental growth. Another great toy found in this box is the plush Lion Rattle. The yellow and orange colors are visually stimulating for your baby for happy and calmness. As you shake it, you will be stimulating your baby's auditory growth. The soft, stuffy toy that you see here provides both emotional and social support. At times that your baby needs to be smooth, give them the opportunity to play with this toy. The variety of soft textures provide sensory stimulation to help soothe and calm your baby at times where they are fussy. They will learn to calm themselves while holding it, enhancing their emotional skills and self-control. Use facial expressions and soft sounds paired with your stuffy toy to help create a comforting environment for them. The next toy is the Spec Magical Box. This box has been designed for cognitive development. Problem-solving skills are discovered and learned by taking out the block and placing it back in. It also serves as sensory processing development with the crinkling sound and bright colors. Fine motor skills can also be developed with looping the green loop over the button. One great activity to do with your baby is hold the block 10 inches from their face. Move the block up, down, left, and right to engage them with focusing and build their attention span. We take pride in developing toys that will enhance the development of children.